Ngizomcuna uzonomnulayini ke lapha uzomnushuni bafethu wabona uzomcuna yakhuluma lapho ukuthi leti shawo Khanyimba ayikho aseyona ayikho right because ushintshe kakhulu.
Yabona into eyenzo Khanyimba ayikho emthethweni.
But that's exactly the same thing.
Kwaze weqa yabona uvela amakhebula ahlaza manje ebusweni umbone engasaphaphile nje ukuyishuta enza ama selfie
yazi inkinga
uvela amakhebula ahlaza.
But this is the disease of not loving yourself, guys. This is the disease of not loving yourself.
inwele uyasusa ufake
You don't love yourself. So how can we expect a slay queen to fight for this country? They can't even fight for their own hair. They can't fight for their own hairline. Imagine. Imagine.
Unokumangala
uzayisela kumnandi ukuba nami nginehlathi nje ngiyadelela mina ngiyazi ngifike umuntu wangibuthi ubuka ihlathi zami ngithi ngesikhona.
Exactly.
And into engayisho mina bafethu ukuthi abantu abamnyama bafethu masiza appreciate ngendlela esingayo. Uyayibona into leyo. There's no need ukuthi sichinje sifuna bamhlophe wayesidalwe simnyama and ayikho into wrong ngobumnyama. If udaluka nje uyayibona into le thina sine melanin guys sine melanin uyayibona into le and abelungu bayafisa ukufana nathi nje into engayazi because abakwazi ulasta kakhulu elangeni iskin sabo sheshe silimali but thina abantu abamnyama sifuna uzenza belungu izosisiza ngani le nto le uyayibona into le so into engayitsho mina yes I understand ipoint yakho wakungizomcula indlela akhuluma ngayo you understand ngaphandle ukuthi maybe ngicwasa umunye umuntu or anything wonke umuntu namalungelo ukuthi angenza noma yini ngomzimba wakhe but into engayitsho mina just awareness bafethu abantu abamnyama we much precious ukubana lesi skin esinaso lesi sine melanin si rich lesi skin lesi sihloliwe lesi skin lesi I can see this is a luxury skin bafethu uyayibona into le Kuzo zonke izikini ezikhona la emhlabeni nasi luxury skin. You understand mele siyithande ngalendlela esingayo. Uyayibona into le singazifushi sifuna ufana nezinye inhlanga. Angeke sifane ezinye inhlanga. Umuntu omnyama bafethu it's a firstborn. You understand? Kwaza umuntu omnyama aqala. Even na science liyakufakazela lokuthi ithambo lokuqala atholakala eAfrika. You understand? So there's no need to message change sizenza abantu singesoyibona cha. Mrs embrace ukuthi yina uyayibona into le sabe busy foster senza konke lo uphuma esayidini abantu besifazane bayayithanda into enhle angeke ngikuphikise lokho but there's no need ukuthi uthi unenwele zakho zezinto ufake ezinye inwele uyayibona into le but ke if uyafuna ukufaka kufake kodwa sesiyathi ukuthi masizame embrace abantu abamnyama uyayibona into le and unothi abantu besifazane bangalela kanjani eCountry